Chief Minister Kejriwal after he said that a new Singapore mutant affects the kids more. Singapore Health Minister Vivian Balakrishnan has given a reply to Kejriwal saying that politicians should stick to facts. Rebutting Delhi Chief Minister, Vivian Balakrishnan said there is no Singapore variant. Even the External Affairs Ministry were forced to clarify after Kejriwal's comment. Union Minister Jai Shankar said that irresponsible comments by Delhi Chief Minister can damage the long-standing partnership with Singapore. He further added that Kejriwal does not speak for India.
सिंगापुर स्ट्रेन को लेकर मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल ने ट्वीट किया। इसे लेकर हाई सिंगापुर की सरकार जो है वो भी भारत सरकार से जवाब तलब कर रही है। ये ख्याल कहां से आया सर, ये जानकारी कहां से आई, क्या कहना है दिल्ली सरकार का इस पर?
इसका बता दें
कि ऐसा कोई स्ट्रेन है ही
नहीं। देखिए, स्ट्रेन तो इस टाइम कोरोना के बहुत सारे स्ट्रेन हैं। हाँ। जैसे जैसे म्यूटेट होता रहता है वैसे स्ट्रेन का नाम अलग अलग रखा जाता है। तो इंडिया में कई सारे स्ट्रेन इस टाइम चल रहे हैं, तो जीनोम सीक्वेंसिंग से पता लगता है। तो शाम तक इसको क्लियर कर लेंगे।
Singapore and India have had an excellent relationship. Singapore has been very, very helpful when it came to managing the logistic hub for oxygen supply. They even deployed their military aircraft to help us move stuff. And for Chief Minister of Delhi to make such a statement is obviously out of line. The Singapore government has taken a strong exception to it. The Indian government has also taken a strong exception to it. There's a statement by the Ministry of External Affairs. Arvind Kejriwal will be advised to stick to matters of Delhi, which he has failed routinely on.
My colleague Geeta Mohan is joining us from Delhi, and Ankit Tyagi also will be joining us reporting from Delhi in just about a while. For now, we've got Geeta with us. Geeta, explain to us whether a statement that has been made by a sitting Chief Minister of Delhi can really go ahead and impact the ties between two nations, that is Singapore and India.
Well, it certainly is a cause for worry and concern because Singapore has taken this very seriously, has taken a serious note of it, Chetty, and also has lodged a protest. Having said that, the long-standing partnership between Singapore and India cannot be impacted by one comment. But given the sensitivity of the situation where there are various strains that are now being named, being given very technical names, to attach it to a country to say that this is a Singapore variant really does not bode well for the country that is being named in that variant. And that's why Singapore has raised concerns regarding the statements that have come from none other than a very high official of India, a politician, a representative of the people, the Delhi Chief Minister. That's the reason why it is concerning. That's the reason why it's an issue of concern. But again, like I said, it is not going to impact the long-term partnership between India and Singapore. Singapore, in fact, Chetty, has been one of those countries which has been on the forefront of providing assistance and aid to India. And therefore, we will see ironing out of the statement, but this has taken a political turn. The fact that the foreign minister of Singapore has come out and said that politicians should stick to facts, and that there is no Singapore variant, and this is a response to Arvind Kejriwal's tweet. He quote-tweeted Arvind Kejriwal and said that clearly shows that now this is also in the realm in the political realm where now the ruling dispensation in India, External Affairs Minister Jai Shankar has also stepped in and said that Delhi CM does not speak for India. But technically, if you ask me, any state government has the right to raise concerns regarding any country if there is a concern with regards to that country. Over here, Delhi Chief Minister was
Geeta, you're right. Any chief minister or any state has the right to voice concern against any country. Here the problem is the facts a little bit, perhaps, Geeta, because when Delhi Chief Minister says it's a Singapore variant, Singapore says no, it's a variant that has actually originated in India. So what are the facts as they stand?
Well, I think the information that came to the Delhi CM's office or whatever that he understood of the information that was trickling from Singapore was misplaced. Why? Because the health minister's press briefing was held before Arvind Kejriwal's tweet. And in that press conference of the health minister of Singapore, Chetty, he very clearly had said that there is a new variant in Singapore, the B1617 variant, which he spoke of how had come into Singapore, and there were some isolated cases of people having tested positive. Once they landed in Singapore, they were then put into isolation, but there was a slight spread. And because it's a very aggressive virus and one that is known to be affecting children, these are reports that, again, Singapore is also taken from India. That they are affecting children is the reason why schools are going to be shut. Now, that was the press conference after which we saw Arvind Kejriwal speak about how Singapore is speaking of a new variant and then called it the Singapore variant, which is absolutely wrong on facts. And that's the reason why we're seeing this controversy today. If it were a case where, and we have seen in the past, where there are flights that were coming in from various countries, including China. A lot of people said the Chinese virus. A lot of chief ministers over here were concerned about people coming from China, but there was no concern that was raised, or no objection, or no protest lodged, or no intervention from the central government. Why? Because they were not misplaced or wrong on facts. Over here, Delhi Chief Minister is wrong on facts, and is the reason why Singapore is concerned. Like you very rightly said a while ago, Chairman, Singapore is one of those rare countries that has actually managed COVID-19 pretty well in containing, in ensuring that that kids do not miss school, that life is normal, and that they do not lose out on business. We have families there. I have family there, and my nephews have not missed school, barring a month and a half in this entire 2-year period. That's how good Singapore's entire COVID management system has been. And therefore, there is absolutely the right reason for Singapore to come out and lodge a protest with India with regards to the statements made by the Delhi Chief Minister. Having said that, saying that the Chief Minister cannot speak for India is, I think, stretching it a bit far.
All right, hold on right there. Geeta is getting us the perspective into the story at the moment. We'll keep coming back to you for more, Geeta. For now, we're moving on.